guys, it's Miss Markets by Pearl. Today, I will taste review Star Margarine this chocolate flavor.
Ayan. First time niya makatikim, guys. Anong ibig sabihin? Mag-ano daw? Ayan. Nag-toast tayo ng bread, guys. 10% growth building. Tatangkad ka pa lalo. Yun, ako. Papatangkad daw yun.
Bango?
Bango? Chocolate flavor. Wow.
Let's take now a little bit. It looks like chocolate
Chocolate talaga siya. Goya, no? Yung Goya, no? Pero that is margarine, eh.
Bango?
You're done?
Ano po tutupiin? Hirap na ito.
Okay na yan. Toasted bread, eh.
Yummy. 10 out of 10 guys.
Paano daw siya naman? Pantay daw. Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo. Harap. Harap naman siya, guys. Yummy Star Margarine Chocolate. First time namin kumain ito, guys.
So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.